Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Eterno server. First, you have to go to eternos.org, and then you're going to press this play button. But when you press play, it's going to tell you to sign up. So you have to sign up. Once you're done signing up, you can press this create button. And after you press that create button, you can choose your Bedrock edition or Java edition. I play on Bedrock. And then you have your thing. To make your own seed, you can go to Worlds, generate it, press this, add your own seed, world name, blah, blah, blah. This is your server, press start. If you want to turn on coordinates or like keep inventory, once you turn it on, there's gonna be like /game will show coordinates. You can do that. And I have this. I have my sus SMP video for So servers, this one. This is to add your server, you have to remember the address. Wait a second, which server is this? Yeah, this is my old server. This is, you can press start to add your server, and then your friends have to play on Bedrock or mobile to join the Bedrock server. And this is preparing. You have to look down here. And when you go into Minecraft, when you go down, you can press add server. Put in the information, the server name, which if you didn't name your world, then it would be your account name, your address, which it says, and the port, which it says. And then you can press save and play. And you can only play on the server when the server's online. So yeah. Bye. Thank you.